together. We started out living with my uncle. We were walking from uh, Seaview Gardens to Olympic Gardens every single Sunday, morning and evening, and during the week, going to services. That's where that impact started for me. I saw who he was as a person, amongst his peers, and pretty much kind of played a part in how I had to carry myself. Because living with him, I was a reflection of him and his position in the church and all of that. So that's really, where ministry started out and how his life and ministry made an impact on me.